welcome to Lori's Crochet Corner. I have a special treat for you today, and I have someone here to share with me. And I have Belle from Belle's Reborn Nursery wearing a beautiful apron. And you'll get to see mine in a moment so I can show you. But Belle is here to help out today, guys.
And check out Mom's apron. Woohoo! We're looking stylish today.
We made these, guys. We made these.
Ourselves with the sewing machine. Yes, we know how to use the sewing machine.
Yes, we certainly do. So we're here with a surprise for you guys today. We're going to make a special treat. We're going to make funnel fries today, guys.
Woohoo! Yummy sugar.
Oh, yum. First thing I'm going to do before I get started is turn on my deep fryer to 350 because we want it to be nice and hot and ready to go. I pre-measured my ingredients, guys, and this is the reason why. If you have them pre-measured, when you're ready to make your treat, it's done real quick. You don't have to fuss, no muss, okay? So right here in this baggie, we're going to get started right away because we're hungry.
Yeah. Been waiting all day for this.
We have 2 cups of flour, okay? So we are going to put that in a big bowl right here. Well, this is, I guess, kind of like a medium-sized bowl. Okay, in the flour is, we have a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and that is it, guys. And here we have 1/4 cup of sugar, okay? And that's all that's in this baggie. So that's really not too much prep time. So if you don't want to, pre-measure, you don't have to. But I prefer to. I pre-measure all the time when I bake. It just makes it that much easier. That goes in a separate bowl, okay, guys? So that goes in there. And then in your sugar mixture, you're going to, well, first of all, you want to mix up your flour because your baking powder and salt's in there. So just kind of give that a little whisk, like so. Pretty darn easy, huh? Then you're going to crack 2 eggs into your sugar mixture. Maybe.
Make sure you don't get any shells in there.
Yeah, I'm not real good with the eggs, guys. Although I have been known not to break yolks. My husband, every time he does eggs, he breaks them. And then, so that's your eggs and your sugar. You need 1/3 cup of milk, which I'm grabbing right now. So that's 1/3 cup of milk. And I use, this is whole milk. I think you can use 2% also. I wouldn't go with the skim, because then you're going to have some really watery liquid there. And last but not least, you need 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Pretty easy recipe, guys. Okay, there's a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're done with that. And then you're just going to mix that up. Real good. You want to mix it till it's frothy. I'm better with the fork than I am a whisk, guys. Then when you get this all mixed up pretty good. Oh my goodness.
Make sure your arm gets tired while you do it.
Yeah. But you want it a little bit frothy, guys. You want to make sure it's well mixed with your sugar. But you don't want to make a meringue out of it either. Okay, think that's good enough, Jen?
I think so.
Do you
Looks
really?
like it's all mixed up pretty good in there.
Okay. There we go. There's our eggs, our sugar, and our vanilla. And then we're going to add it to, and our milk. It should be like a thin cake batter. So we're just going to whisk, whoops, whisk away. Jen was just waiting for me to do that so she could laugh.
She always yells at me because I always make a mess when I do stuff like this. If your mixture is too thick, just add a little bit of milk.
Add some milk.
Kind of just like pancake batter. Sometimes you gotta add some milk.
By the time we're done mixing, guys, here's what we got. It's like a thin cake batter. Perfect.
Nice and smooth.
Smooth. You want to make sure there's not any lumps. If there are, they're very tiny because it won't go through these little tips. You're going to use these little bottles. These are like ketchup and mustard bottles. You want it to go through the tip big enough to make the funnel fry. So now what we're going to do, well, I think we're pretty much done mixing. Boy, that's quite the work. Okay. I have a funnel here. We're just going to grab the batter out of here like so and make a mess. Come on. Jen, can you hold that?
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to pour the batter in here like so. It's going to go in kind of slow, I think. I hope it's going.
So yes, look at that mess she's making.
Man! You know, oh, my toe!
Right on her toe.
Oh my gosh, that's just not even nice, guys. Not even nice.
So yeah, we are filling the ketchup containers. And whatever's left over, we'll be able to store away in the fridge for a while.
You can keep this up to a week in your refrigerator. I wouldn't keep it any longer though because it's got raw egg in it. Remember that. So no longer than a week. And so if you get a hankering for some funnel fries every night, go on out there and get your deep fryer out and make them babies because they're delish.
Yep, and don't blame us if you get fat from the snack.
Okay, I'm going to drop it here. All right, that's a good start. So we're going to put the cap on there and we're going to let Jen start out, guys.
Woo-hoo. Jen doesn't know what to do. You have to do the first one.
Oh my gosh, she's scared, guys.
And here we go. We're ready to make our first one.
Yeah, here it goes.
So they may not actually stay the shape of a fry. I'm not really sure how they manage that, but we could just make a general funnel cake, I guess.
Well, yeah, you know what? After I pull this out, I'll try to make one big one because they're not coming out as fries for some reason. I'm not happy about that, but what can I say? I'm following a recipe just like we follow instructions for
And what'd you just do there?
crochet. And I just put some powdered sugar on there and Jen can, oh my goodness, yummy. Well, it doesn't matter how they come out, guys. They're good.
Oh yeah, it doesn't matter what shape they turn out. They still taste the same.
But I did say I wanted fries, not...
They are good.
Aren't they good?
I like them like that, crispy.
I may have actually made the mixture a little thin, and in that case, if I made it a little thicker, they probably would come out as fries, but I was worried about them not coming through the tip of the bottle.
Yep.
So I'm going
I
to...
like them this way. I like that they turn out crispy instead of all cakey.
What I'm going to try to do is next time, well, this time I'm going to try and make a whole funnel cake. We'll see how it goes. So they are good crispy, so if you like crispy, this is the way to go. But they are actually coming out like little cakes, as you can see.
Yeah, some of them are turning into little puff balls.
So it could be that maybe I didn't have my heat up enough. We'll see when I try to make a whole cake what happens. I have made funnel cakes before, but never funnel fries. I kind of wondered if I'd have any luck with that or not. But it's fun to try, and you only learn by trying, guys. So
Yep.
and if it's still edible, who cares?
No doubt. I don't care that it's not the shape of a fry. Look at how delicious that looks.
Look how puffy they are. Look at how puffy these ones are, Jen.
Yep. They're like little donuts, kinda.
Yeah, yeah.
So just like what you get at the amusement park. Yummy, yummy. Yeah,
We're getting those off.
These ones kind of turn out like little fried cakes.
Yep.
Yummy.
I think maybe I didn't have the grease hot, or hot enough. And then you just take and you shake some powdered sugar on there. Lots of powdered sugar, guys.
Yummy.
Ooh. That's my favorite part. You know, a lot of people like them with strawberries and fruit on them too. So if you have a hankering for that, you can do it. Now I'm going to try to make a cake really quick out of what's left here.
Yeah, we're going to make a whole cake.
Jan!
Ooh, that's looking good.
So we will see.
Look at how good that's turning out.
I didn't have the grease hot enough, I bet you. Trial and error, guys, but these little puffs look really good.
Can she get it out in one piece?
Can I turn it in one piece? That's the big question, guys. That I don't know. Probably not. But like I said, if we can eat it, who cares?
If you eat it and it tastes good, that's all that matters.
You want to have your deep fryer on 350, it said, for the recipe. I'm starting to question that and thinking it probably should have been at 375 because I think part of the issue is that the grease wasn't quite hot enough. Because now it's sticking.
Yep, trial and error, that's all you can do. Is it going in one piece? Oh, almost. She almost got it in one piece.
Almost. Well, this thing here isn't really big enough either. If you guys have one of them metal ones that are really big and round, they're a lot better for this. This is all I happen to have, so I had to make do with it. So it's coming out nice. It's almost a funnel cake. Improvision,
guys. We all do it. Every craft we do, you gotta improvise sometimes.
Well, you get little flub-bubs and oopsies, and that's just part of the, all part of the game when it comes to cooking and making things.
Plus, everybody has their own taste, too.
Yep. And you don't have to make these real crispy if you don't want them. That's our preference. We like crispy. So,
yep.
Almost done. That is a little cake. Look at it, Jen.
Oh, yeah. Ooh,
it's a
good.
Little mini funnel cake. This would be great for a kid if you want, don't want your kids to have
nice and fluffy.
A whole lot. We're just going to give it another minute.
Nice cheap snack.
Yeah, it is, really. And it's mostly, I always have this stuff in the house, guys. So, and you probably do. Sugar, powdered sugar, flour, vanilla, salt, and baking powder. You probably have all that in your cupboard. I know I do because we bake for the holidays every year. And look at that. There
look at that.
Is.
Nice.
It's got a little hole in the center, but that came out pretty good, guys. I'm happy with that.
Yeah.
And we're
yummy.
going to put some sugar.
Sugar. Yummy.
Now that looks like a funnel cake.
I had tea, coffee, and now I'm having sugar. I'm going to be wired today.
And not only that, guys, I took Jen to KFC today for lunch. And then when we got back, my husband offered her a donut. She had that. and now we're going to have funnel cake. And she's going to have that. She's going to go home with about another 5-10 pounds on her at least.
Yeah, plus I have a KFC cake that Mom bought me to take home. So yeah, I'm getting spoiled today.
Their lemon cakes are awesome. And I didn't let you make any. You want to make a couple?
No, it's all right.
You want to make a couple. You know you do.
All right, you guys. Let's see if we're gonna refill the bottle, and then I'm gonna see if I can make one better than Mom.
Little show off. And let's see if I can get it without getting it on my toe this time. Oh, that really doesn't make as much stuff as I thought it would.
Ooh.
Yeehaw, there it goes. But it is kind of like a pancake batter. You don't really want it much thicker than that, guys, because it will plug up your funnel. And
it'll get chewy, too, when you cook it if you make it too thick.
You gotta hurry up. The grease is a-bubbling. So you want to do it fast like you saw me do it. Right. Can she do it, guys? What do you think? Belle's Reborn Nursery, little doll maker, gonna make her first funnel cake, guys.
Woohoo, my first funnel cake.
All right.
Probably gonna mess it up.
What is it? La, 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 la. Oh, there it is. All right, I'm just going to take the phone away from her and let her go to town. Yeehaw! Here we go. Look how good. Look how good that looks, guys. Ooh, come on over and have some.
Ready?
Here we go. Do it fast.
Hold on, did you get me in the picture yet?
Oops. Did you want to see who was doing that, guys?
Here we go, you guys. My first funnel cake.
Here we go. I still got you in the picture, so that's good. Fast, 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 fast.
I am.
Okay, that's enough.
If you want it to stick together, you gotta put a decent amount. Woohoo! I think it looks pretty good. It's filling the pan.
That's gonna be a bigger one, guys.
Hold on. I need to eat a piece. Yum, yum.
We love this stuff.
Where's the mixer thing?
Right there.
How do you know when to turn it?
Well, just give it.
Does it start turning gold on the side?
It might a little bit. I just took my chances with it. Good luck to you.
Maybe a little longer.
She's scared, guys. She's really scared.
It has to be perfect.
Well, mine certainly isn't perfect. But it sure is fun to try, guys. It really is. It's a fun thing to do. Jen and I like to bake and stuff, and we've made a lot of things that hadn't turned out, but you know what? The second time we made it, they came out even better. In fact, I tried to make the last 2 years, tried to make chocolate oatmeal no-bake cookies, and I couldn't get them to turn out. Turn it over. Turn it over.
I got it in one
piece. She got it. Yay. And they didn't turn out, 2 batches that I made. And then finally, I was like, last Christmas, I'm like, I am going to make these if it kills me. And for some reason, they turned out. And so I made another batch, and they turned out too.
Since you're talking, maybe I should turn the phone back toward you.
I don't care. She got hers to go, guys.
Yeah, one whole piece, as long as Mom doesn't break it.
It's not going to come out one. That's why you're going to do it. I think it's done, though.
All right.
Because the grease is starting to...
All right, let's see if I can get it out in one... I'll wait till you get it on me.
Okay.
Let's see if we can get it out in one piece, you guys. Gotta be really careful.
Here we go.
Oh, it's in one piece. For right now until I get it over here. Yay!
Yay! Get that sugar on there. All right, there's the powdered sugar. Move that bowl out of the way.
Yay!
Awesome. See that, guys? How nice.
And now we have a yummy, yummy snack.
Yep. Jen's going to eat all of it, guys. So she's going to have it all.
Yummy.
Next Thursday, Jen and I are going to hook up. And we're going to make chocolate peanut butter fudge, guys.
Yay! Yummy.
And I know everybody's been wanting that too. So we're going to go for it.
So if you guys are enjoying this recipe, let us know in the comment section below. And if you have any recipes you would like us to try out, give us your suggestions in the comment section below as well.
Yes, indeed. So make sure you come. We're going to be doing something every week, guys. It's pretty exciting. It may not come out perfect, but it comes out good enough to eat, guys.
Heck yeah.
So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Don't forget to like. And don't forget to share, guys, because everybody's going to love these funnel cakes. All right? So until next time, mwah, love you.
Bye.
Bye. And Jen says,
and
bye.
I love you too. Bye. Thank you for joining us.
Bye, guys.